Local scientists are turning a red tide problem into a new opportunity by extracting high-value glycogen from green mussels, a cosmetic ingredient once sourced only abroad. Mobile Journal Jas Paredes with the report.
An ingredient used in many cosmetic products, glycogen, one source only abroad, can now be extracted from locally harvested green mussels. The Eastern Visayas is known as the country's largest producer of mussels. But in recent years, the mussel industry has struggled due to the frequent occurrence of red tide, which has greatly affected the livelihood of local mussel farmers. To help address this, a team from UP Tacloban launched a research initiative, the Sustainable Strategies for Mussel Glycogen Upscale Production or SMUG UP project, which explores the potential of green mussels as a source of glycogen, a substance usually extracted from blue mussels in other countries.
Nag-start po kami ng possible discussion on anong pwedeng gawin natin na research to address the problem on the red tide phenomenon. Isa naming mentor, si Dr. Noel Ferriols, isa siyang fishery scientist. At saka yung tinignan namin yung source ng glycogen ay galing siya sa blue mussel. So sabi niya, bakit pwede natin tingnan na baka makakuha tayo ng glycogen from the green mussel and we can...
Glycogen is a moisturizing ingredient commonly used in cosmetics such as makeup, creams, and other skincare products. However, most commercial glycogen is still imported.
Sa ngayon po kasi glycogen ay sa Philippines ay ina-export natin at saka yung price niya po ay mataas because galing sa ibang bansa. So nakita namin if there's really a demand for if there's the demand in the glycogen at saka i-produce siya dito sa ating country, it will really help yung mga industry na nag-need ng glycogen.
The study is in collaboration with mussel farmers and local government units to source large volumes of green mussels.
Pinakauna po dito ay nagkakaroon kami na tawag namin depuration. Ay pagpapasuka, ibig sabihin nilalabas nila po yung mga na-accumulate nila ng mga kung ano-ano man sa body nila. Namin to overnight. Tubuan po namin ng mga around 30 minutes using water. Itong block na po ito, dito po namin i-isolate or extract yung glycogen by adding ethanol. Precipitate po yung glycogen.
Only the broth is used for the glycogen study, while the cooked mussel meat is turned over to cooperatives for food development. Meanwhile, the team is exploring how this locally produced glycogen can be used in cosmetics.
We really have to parang collaborate more with the cosmetic industry group, no, to study on the possible use of this glycogen from tahong sa iba-ibang klaseng cosmetic formulations. So ito pa yung mga mga gusto nating tingnan na we are using our own Filipino manufactured glycogen for Filipino formulated cosmetic products. So parang itatak Pinoy.
As part of the expansion of this research, the Department of Science and Technology has opened the country's first glycogen extraction facility in Tacloban on July 2, 2025, a demo plant that can process green mussels into high-value glycogen for diverse applications. Kapatid Jas Paredes, we are One News.